SupaFriends. AI is one of the most exciting and innovative AI tools that's just hit the market. If you're looking for an AI solution that's packed with features and can seriously boost your productivity, this is one to watch. Stick with me as I break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about SupaFriends AI. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end for the full picture. Before we dive in, you can actually try SupaFriends AI completely for free. Just click the first link below to get started. Now let's talk about what makes this software stand out in a crowded AI space. First up, SupaFriends AI is designed to make collaboration a breeze. Whether you're managing a team or working solo, the software's intelligent task management and workflow automation features save you countless hours. It integrates with your existing platforms, so there's no need to switch everything over. It'll help streamline communication and project management all in one place. Second, let's talk about its smart content creation capabilities. This software uses advanced AI to generate content that feels human and authentic. Whether it's blog posts, social media content, or email campaigns, SupaFriends AI is smart enough to craft high-quality material with minimal input. This means more time for you to focus on strategy while the AI takes care of the heavy lifting. It's like having a creative assistant who never sleeps. Third, SupaFriends AI's analytics are next level. Most AI tools will give you basic reports, but SupaFriends goes deeper, offering real-time insights into how your campaigns are performing. You'll get actionable data to refine your strategy on the fly, and if you're into optimizing your digital marketing, these insights could make all the difference between success and failure. Fourth, one of the most exciting features is the AI's predictive capabilities. SupaFriends AI can analyze trends and predict outcomes, allowing you to adjust your strategy before issues arise. This predictive ability can give you a huge edge, especially in fast-moving industries like e-commerce and digital marketing. Fifth, SupaFriends AI isn't just for marketing or content creation. It's an all-in-one business assistant that helps with customer support, lead generation, and even financial management. The AI understands what your business needs at each stage and can offer real-time solutions, which means you're always staying one step ahead of your competition. Sixth, the user experience is smooth and intuitive. You don't have to be a tech expert to get started with SupaFriends AI. The interface is user-friendly, and it offers plenty of tutorials to guide you through every feature. This is perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to waste time figuring out how to use complex tools. And lastly, the most important thing you need to know is that SupaFriends AI continues to improve. The team behind it is constantly updating the software with new features and improvements, so you know you're investing in something that's future-proof. To wrap it up, SupaFriends AI is a game changer, offering a wide range of tools to automate, optimize, and scale your business effortlessly. And as mentioned earlier, you can try it for free by clicking the link below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and SupaFriends AI has definitely earned a spot among my top recommendations. Make sure to check out my other AI software recommendations in the description. Whether you're looking for content creation, marketing, or productivity tools, I've got you covered.